Attention citizens. Local authorities have issued a humane warning to all citizens across the northeastern states. A chemical gas leak has been reported to flow around in urban areas. The good news is that the gas is not flammable, which means it cannot ignite or explode. However, it is highly dangerous to humans. The individual will experience flu-like effects at first, such as fever, coughing, and fatigue. Then the individual will experience intense facial rashes, especially around the eyes. Infected individuals may begin to scratch at their eyes violently in an attempt to relieve the irritation. The gas also affects the mind, leading to extreme psychological distress and panic, which will cause victims to continue scratching despite the increasing pain, ultimately causing severe damage and heavy bleeding around the eyes. All residents must close all windows and seal all entrances to prevent the gases from entering the home, and all citizens are required to stay indoors and wear hazmat suits when going outdoors until further notice. If you experience an individual who is experiencing said symptoms, call authorities immediately. More updates regarding the information will roll out in the future. Stay indoors at all times, stay away from all entrances, and prepare for the worst.